Sceptre monitor DisplayPort problems are among the most common display connectivity issues users face today. Understanding how to properly diagnose these problems can save you hours of frustration. DisplayPort issues typically manifest in three main ways: complete signal loss, where the monitor shows no signal, intermittent connections that drop randomly, and limitations in available resolution or refresh rate options. Here we see a typical Sceptre monitor. These monitors are popular for their value, but they can be particularly sensitive to DisplayPort connection issues. Research shows that DisplayPort issues have three primary causes. Cable problems account for 65% of all issues, making them the most critical factor to check first. Driver compatibility problems cause 23% of issues, while improper settings account for the remaining 12%. Now let's walk through the proper diagnostic process, starting with the most common cause: cable issues. First, examine your DisplayPort cable carefully. Use only certified DisplayPort 1.4 or higher cables, as shown here. Ensure the cable clicks securely into both the monitor and graphics card ports. Look for any physical damage or bent pins that could cause connection issues. Next, we need to examine the graphics card ports and verify driver status. Examine your graphics card's DisplayPort outputs, as shown on the left. Make sure you're connecting to the correct port. On the right, we see the NVIDIA driver installer. Keeping your GPU drivers updated is crucial, as outdated drivers cause nearly a quarter of all DisplayPort issues. Finally, we need to verify the monitor's input settings and configuration. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu and manually select the DisplayPort input. Many Sceptre monitors have multiple input options, and the automatic detection may not work properly. Sometimes disabling auto input detection and manually selecting DisplayPort resolves the issue immediately. By following these three diagnostic steps in order, you can resolve the vast majority of Sceptre DisplayPort issues. Remember, check cables first, since they cause 65% of problems, then verify drivers, and finally confirm monitor settings.